Farmers' protest has entered the 32nd day. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is going to be visiting the Singhu border, the epicenter of the protests, at 6 p.m. this evening. This is going to be his second visit to Singhu border. He earlier met farmers on 7th of December. This as the standoff between farmers and centre does continue up until now. Sources have told India Today that government is going to be sending a letter to the farmer unions on Monday accepting their proposal to hold talks on 29th of December. On Saturday, the farmers proposed to hold talks on 4-point agenda in response to Prime Minister Modi's mega outreach. The farmers have asked the centre to discuss the modalities to repeal new laws and the mechanism to provide legal guarantees for MSP. They have further demanded exclusion of farmers from being penalised for stubble burning, protection of their interest in Electricity Amendment Act as well. Meanwhile, you've got farmers who are likely to continue protesting. On 30th of December, farmers are going to be holding a tractor rally as well. 1st of Jan, the protesters have invited people from Delhi and Haryana to join their stir.
बैठक होगी तो बैठक करेंगे। सरकार से अपने एजेंडा हमने सरकार को भेज दिया और हमने टाइम दिन सब बता दिया सरकार को। हाँ, बातचीत होगी तो भाई मास्टर जी 21 दिन बाद में मिल रहा है, तो जहाँ से छोड़ कर गया सब्जेक्ट कोर्स जहाँ से छोड़ा वहीं से फिर शुरू होगा।
देखिए, जब प्रधानमंत्री जी गृह मंत्री जी कह रहे हैं कृषि के कानून तो वापस नहीं लेंगे, संशोधन पे बात कर लीजिए, वो तो हमारे विरोध काउंटर प्रस्ताव बात कर रहे हैं, तो उससे तो उम्मीद तो नहीं लगती है। इसलिए हमारा मंच पहले छोटा था, कल लोग बढ़ रहे हैं, कल 25,000 हजारों ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉलियों का जत्था पंजाब से आया, तो उसके अनुसार हमने अपना मंच बड़ा किया।
आज हम कई टोल बैरियरों पे गए और वहाँ से आम लोगों की राय ये थी कि ये टोल परमानेंट फ्री करा दिए जाएं। जो हमारी राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी की मीटिंग थी उसमें भी फिर ये फैसला ले लिया गया है हरियाणा का टोल फ्री कराने का। तो आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि पूरे हरियाणा में जो है वो तब तक टोल फ्री रहेंगे जब तक सरकार हमारी बात नहीं मानती।
Kamaljeet is now joining us live for the very latest on this story. Kamaljeet, walk our viewers through what is going on right there at the Singhu border. Arvind Kejriwal has already met the farmers once. This is going to be his second visit to the farmers. He stands there in solidarity with the farmers. All of this is coming in. On the 32nd day of the protests, the demands have been made. The centre or the farmers, they've not been able to meet at a middle ground so far.
Well, it's day 32 and the status quo is maintained. That is, there seems to be no solution in sight. Now, all eyes are on the 29th December meeting. What is also significant is that even as the farmers are digging in their heels, a bigger stage is being set, a media room is being created, CCTV cameras being put. All this is in a preparation for a longer haul. Clearly, when Arvind Kejriwal joins in this protest, and remember, it should not come as much of a surprise. 2 weeks ago, there were symbolic fasting. It was earlier also alleged by Arvind Kejriwal that Delhi police had stopped him from going to Singhu border and lending his support. But rather than that, we've also seen politics being done on it. The Prime Minister also specifically said that it's the political leaders who are misleading the farmers' protest. We've not seen these people actually giving out a stage to any politician. So it will be interesting to see whether Arvind Kejriwal comes and takes on stage, or will he be just lending support, because these are very important and symbolic measures. Now, many political parties, as BJP mentions, are milking this entire agitation. Whether Arvind Kejriwal, we've seen him get into a fight with Captain Amrinder Singh, and there has been a tu-tu meh-meh, but it's also the larger context that these farmers have been sitting at the Delhi borders. Arvind Kejriwal saying we are willing to let them inside and let them hold a bigger protest, and amongst all that is also this middle ground which the government is really finding it hard to find, with the farmers being very stuck on their demands. Repeal the laws or nothing else. 4 conditions have already been set up. The proposal from the farmers have gone in. They're awaiting now a response from the central government as to where and how things will stand on December 29. But from the looks of it, it seems the farmers are looking for a longer haul. They say more people are going to be joining in. We also met few of the people who had come from Jammu and Kashmir, from Neel Nala, and this is where there actually there is apprehension that perhaps larger numbers will come from other states as well.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Kamaljeet, for joining us with the latest details on the story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.